Instagram calls not working? No intro, no fluff. Here are 15 fixes from 30-second checks to the nuclear option. Open the chat, tap the call icon, and watch what happens. Then start with Fix 1 and stop the moment your call connects.
Fix 1. Check your internet. Instagram calls need a stable connection. Pull down the notification shade and toggle airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds, then toggle it off. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and retry the call. Still failing? Restart your router and test again. Calls are not cellular. They need working internet.
Fix 2. Make sure you are connected to the person. Instagram calls only work between connected accounts. Open their profile and check that you both follow each other. Not connected? Send a message and wait for them to accept the request. If you are blocked or restricted, the call will never ring.
Fix 3. Restart the app, then the phone. Swipe Instagram away from recent apps and reopen it. Retry the call. Still broken? Restart your phone from the power menu. A hung app session is the easiest bug to clear. 30 seconds, and it fixes a surprising number of cases.
Fix 4. Update Instagram. Call bugs get patched all the time. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for Instagram. Tap Update, No Update button. You are already current. Also, check your phone's system update, then retry the call. Some versions even show a message that says calling is no longer supported until you update.
Fix 5. Check the receiver's notifications. If calls never ring on their phone, their notifications are probably off. On iPhone, go to Settings, Notifications, then Instagram. Turn on Allow Notifications and set banners to Persistent. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then Notifications. Turn on the Calls channel and turn off Do Not Disturb.
Fix 6. Turn off, pause all, and sleep mode. Instagram can silence itself. Go to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings and Privacy. Open notifications, make sure pause all is off, and sleep mode is off. These two settings block every alert, including incoming calls.
Fix 7. Unmute calls for one chat. You can mute call notifications for a single person or group. Open the chat and tap their name at the top. Find the option that says Mute Call Notifications and toggle it off. Their calls will ring again.
Fix 8. Allow microphone and camera access. If the call connects but the other side hears nothing, Instagram lost its permissions. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then Permissions. Turn on microphone and camera. On iPhone, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone and Camera. And check the mute switch during the call.
Fix 9. Clear the cache. Corrupted temporary data breaks call signaling. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This keeps you logged in and wipes the bad data. Do not tap Clear Storage because that logs you out. On iPhone, there is no cache button, so skip to Fix 11.
Fix 10. Enable calls on business and verified accounts. Business accounts need audio calling turned on. Go to Edit Profile, then Contact Options, and select Instagram Audio Calling. Verified accounts have their own switch. Open Settings and Privacy, then Video Calling, and choose Accounts you follow. Remember, verified calls do not work in group chats.
Fix 11. Reinstall the app. Deeply corrupted data survives a cache clear. Long press the Instagram icon and choose Uninstall. On iPhone, choose Remove App, then Delete App. Reinstall from the store, log in with your password, and retry the call. Your profile and posts stay safe on Instagram.
Fix 12. Check if Instagram is down. Open downdetector.com and search for Instagram. Look at the report graph. Is it spiking? Check the problem categories like app, feed, or login. A huge spike means the servers are having issues. Stop troubleshooting and just wait. In July of 2026, Meta outages broke calls for thousands of users. Fix 13. Report the problem to Instagram. If the bug is account-specific, Meta can only fix it when you tell them. Go to your profile, the menu, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, open Help, and tap Report a Problem. Describe the issue, attach a screen recording, and send it. Then watch for an app update.
Fix 14. Use the web version. The browser version works even when the app is broken. Open Instagram.com in Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Click Messages on the left and open the chat. Click the call or video icons at the top right, then Start Call. Allow camera and microphone when the browser asks.
Fix 15. Check region and VPN. Instagram is fully blocked in some countries, like Russia, Iran, China, and North Korea. In those places, connect a VPN and retry. But if your VPN is already on, turn it off. Some VPN routes break call traffic. Try a nearby server instead. And check local law, because VPN use can be illegal in some countries.
Why does this happen? A call is a live connection between two phones through Instagram's servers. Break any link in that chain, and the call fails. Your network, their servers, an old app, muted notifications, account rules, or a blocked region. Every fix you just saw repairs one link. That is why we started easy and went advanced.
Recap. Start with Fix 1 and stop when it works. Quick fixes cover the network and the app. Settings fixes cover notifications, permissions, cache, and accounts. Advanced fixes cover server status, reporting, the web, and region. And remember, calls are two-sided. Ask the receiver to check their phone too. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy calling!